Very good morning. You are most welcome in Dr. Saurabh sir classes. In this video series, we are going to discuss solution of questions of the Combined Geo-Scientist Main Examination 2026 Chemistry. And paper is the third paper. And in this paper, the questions asked basically from the analytical chemistry and organic chemistry, completely research based method or the based on the analytical method. Okay, for the different types of the analysis for the research. Now today question is that the amine sample is analyzed as a picrate derivative. A 0.05 gram sample is reacted with the picric acid and dilute to the 1 liter diionized water. The solution exhibit an absorbance 0.40 in a 1 m centimeter cell. What is the percentage of amine in the cell? Okay. Now some values are given in this question. Lambda max value is given in the nanometer. Epsilon, that is the intensity factor, and formula weight of the amine. Okay. Now we will try to solve it with the help of our concept and analytical method. So first you will read the question properly, which value is given, and what is asking about it. Okay. Now in this question is based on the analytical method. So it is a analytical chemistry question, and method is a because of the you can identify easily with the help of the given values. Here the lambda max is given. Lambda max generally used in the spectrophotometric analysis. It is a part of spectrophotometric analysis. Spectrophotometric analysis. Okay, so now this method is based on the photometric analysis. Now problem is the calculated the percentage of amine. They are asking about the what is the percentage of amine in the sample. So calculated the percentage of amine in the sample. Okay, calculate the percentage of amine in a sample, and sample weight is given 0.05 gram a sample. Okay. Now for calculating we are following the some steps. So according to the step number 1, first we will calculate the concentration in moles per liter. To find concentration concentration C in moles per liter. Okay, moles per liter for 0.40 is the given in our question. What is this? It is a absorbance of this. The solution exhibit an absorbance of 0.40 in 1 centimeter cell. In this type of the spectrophotometric analysis, a cuvette is present. In this cuvette, the size of the cuvette is the 1 centimeter, and sample will be taken in this tube for the analysis. Okay, so in this tube, sample is taken, right? And after the putting this tube in the our equipment, and absorption of the energy or light from the provided resources. Now we check the maximum wavelength which absorbed by the sample as a lambda max. Okay, using of the different types of the filter buttons in particular equipment. So now here absorbance is the 0.40. Absorbance is the 0.40 is equal to now write the epsilon. It is the wavelength, that is the we can put this value 1.25 into 10 to the power 4 centimeter. Okay, it is a wavelength centimeter inverse mole inverse. Now C is the concentration, and 1 is the 1 centimeter. It is the cuvette length. Now we will find the concentration. We will find the concentration of the amine. So C is equal to 0.40 divided by, after solving this, we will get 12,500. Okay. After solving this again, 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 5 moles per liter. Moles per liter. Okay, it is a concentration. Now, step second. In the step second, we will conclude the calculate mass of element. Now, calculation mass of element. So how to calculate the mass of element? Already we have calculated the moles, that is the moles in liter. Moles in 1 liter. So moles in 1 liter of the amine is the 1 liter is the 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 5 moles. Okay. Now we can calculate the mass. Mass is equal to moles into molecular weight. Moles into molecular weight. Moles into molecular weight is equal to put the value, what is the moles value, and then molecular weight, the moles is the 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 5 and into moles 300 310 grams per mole. Okay, now we will get the value of 0.00992 grams. Okay, it is a mass of the one. Now step third. In the step third, we will calculate the percentage. In the above two steps, already we have calculated the moles and mass. Now calculate the percentage of amine. Okay, percentage of amine. The percentage of amine is equal to 0.00. First we will write the mass 992 grams and divided by their 0.05 gram into 100. Okay, now after the calculation we will get 19.84%. Okay, percentage of the amine is the 19.84. You can solve this question in the 3 steps with the help of the moles and mass. It is a analytical method of the spectrophotometric. Okay, thank you.